This will be a short tutorial on how to copy a course from a previous term to a future term, and I'm doing this with one of my colleagues. We are on Canvas, and we did one already, so I believe this one hasn't been done yet. So looking at Canvas, you pick out the future course, click on it, and then this comes up, and of course there's nothing in it yet. So we go over to the right where we see a list of menus, and we want to click on Import an Existing Content. This screen then pops up. We go to Content Type, select one, click here to get a drop-down menu. You want to copy a Canvas course. Now this opens. You want to copy all content. Again, put a dot there. Then you go up to this menu bar for its drop down, and then you pick out the course you want to copy. Well, he's going to copy his fall 2020 course, which is this one. And of course, your list will show up and you pick out the one that you want. So I click on that. And you could click on Adjust Events and Due Dates, but you could do that later, especially if you don't have the due dates yet. So click on Import. Now you'll notice over here, it says Running, and there's this blue bar that's filling in this empty slot here. And once it gets completely filled, it is completely copied. So going back to the courses now, and if we click on this section, you'll see now all the material from that other course was copied into this course, and you are now set up. Okay, we'll keep this a tad short, and hopefully it's helpful.